Howdy and welcome to another video edition of Remedyland. Today I want to talk to you about gingivitis. Before information on home remedies for gingivitis, first few words about gingivitis. Gingivitis is a type of periodontal condition. Periodontal illness is a bacterial infection or inflammatory reaction of the gums, ligaments, bone fragments and nervous system that are around the teeth. The term periodontal signifies around the tooth. Every tooth is embossed in the gums and also connected to the bone by cells. Periodontal condition is a dangerous disease that may result in tooth loss. Individuals with chronic gingivitis usually have stained tooth enamel because of weak oral sanitation, but definitely not every time. The gums are sensitive and might have blotches of reddish in locations with inflammatory reaction. They could additionally be inflamed. Chronic gingivitis as well leads to periodontal loss. Since the gums reduce from the tooth look much longer and bigger. Affected individuals might observe blood loss throughout brushing or perhaps flossing and also might have oral discomfort. Periodontal disease is a group of associated conditions a result of bacterial contamination. The conditions can lead to the deterioration of bone together with tissue that keep tooth in position. Gingivitis is the mildest type of periodontal condition. There are more elements which could result in gingivitis, such as smoking, growing older and all forms of diabetes. There could be a genetic predisposition in the direction of gingivitis, together with problems, for example tension, pregnancy, substance abuse, as well as some medicine might cause this disease. Microorganisms in the tooth plaque irritates the gums and also leads to the bacterial infection. If the body's resistant defensive system kicks in against the microorganisms, the gums turn into swollen. Gingivitis would not generally result in the patient any kind of soreness or irritation. Since there is absolutely no pain, you will need to identify the indicators, for example reddish, inflamed gums that could bleed very easily. Sometimes there can be splitting up of the gums at the place where the bacterial infection has started. In case you're by this time observing indications of gingivitis such as inflamed, irritated or perhaps slight bleeding gums, there are steps you can take to deal with the problem. Additionally, you can manage gingivitis in your own home by brushing as well as flossing every day and using gingivitis home remedy. Your dental surgeon could suggest making use of an electric-powered toothbrush because it are going to clean considerably better. Additionally, you can use an antibacterial mouth rinse to eliminate microorganisms from the oral cavity. Gingivitis generally solves after good expert cleaning together with home care. You possibly can anticipate the signs to diminish within a couple of days or several weeks. But you have to preserve sound dental practices to ensure that the illness would not restore. Allow me to share some beneficial suggestions for sound oral hygiene. Gingivitis home treatment or home remedies for gingivitis. When you become old, your teeth could get brittle and also begin to decrease. One gingivitis home remedy is calcium that makes stronger teeth, which could assist in preventing gingivitis. Therefore, you should definitely have your suggested daily intake of calcium. Dip a couple of peppermint leaves in drinking water for 30 minutes and make use of the remedy to wash the oral cavity. This are going to additionally assist to deal with unpleasant breath. Rubbing your gums every day are going to help boost flow of blood to the gums. Because of this, they'll be much better capable to avoid gingivitis, as well as other types of periodontal disease. Hold a spot of the gums between the thumb on the area behind the teeth and also place finger on the side in the front of the teeth and massage carefully. Perform this until you've massaged every bit of the top as well as lower gums. Clove is among the well-known periodontal inflammation homemade remedies. Use a clove and massage it delicately along the gums. Additionally, you can set a handful of cloves close to the gums and keep all of them there for quite a while. Clove oil can be useful in dealing with swollen gums. In case you're displaying symptoms of gingivitis, vitamin C could assist your gums to recover a bit quicker. vitamin supplement C would probably as well assist your gums remain healthful, which makes them much more protected from gingivitis. Anybody can get vitamin C from citrus fruit and fruit juices, not to mention veggies such as broccoli as well as cauliflower. In case you don't believe you're receiving as much as necessary vitamin C in your food intake, think about using a health supplement. One gingivitis home treatment is echinacea, likewise a useful natural herb for the people being affected by gingivitis. It improves immunity and blocks bacterial contamination. On top of that, it takes away inflammation and sensitivity of the gums. Put 1/2 of a teaspoon of echinacea extract to hot drinking water and wash using this remedy. This can be done every day to boost your health. Massage your gums with sesame or perhaps coconut oil, or even consume fresh lemon juice to calm blood loss and receding gums, a result of gingivitis. Furthermore, by consuming apples, pears or melons, you could calm light bleeding and receding gums due to gingivitis. You must consume 1 or more raw vegetable daily. Not just is it great for the general health, eating the vegetable enables you to thoroughly clean the teeth and also stimulate flow of blood in your gums. The microorganisms in the oral cavity could cause gingivitis. One home remedies for gingivitis is baking soda that will help you to eliminate the microorganisms. It can also polish your tooth enamel, thereby making your breath smells fresher. Blend a bit of baking soda together with just a little drinking water. Make use of the finger to place this cream along the gum line. After that, brush your teeth like always. The herb sage carries antibacterial capabilities. Put a tablespoon of sage natural powder to drinking water and then cook for a couple minutes. After that, put a bit of salt and add the remedy into a glass bottle. You could stock the glass bottle in the freezer or fridge for later consumption. It could be employed to calm contaminated and aggravated gums after brushing. One gingivitis home remedy is cranberries or cranberry fruit juice that may help out to stop gingivitis by keeping microorganisms from attaching to the tooth enamel and gums. Pick a cranberry fruit juice that doesn't include sugars. In case you can't bear the flavor of cranberry juice by itself, try out a cocktail wherein cranberry juice is put together with some other, sweeter fruit juices. Put a bit of salt to a tablespoon of mustard oil and after that use to stimulate the hums. Apply slight circular strokes and carry on rubbing for 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse your mouth with drinking water, after which you can repeat the therapy 2 times every day. Use warm and frosty compresses to the face to decrease swelling of the gums brought on by gingivitis. Do that many times per day to get the best outcomes. Aloe vera is gingivitis home treatment and can be used in calming swollen gums. It additionally decreases swelling, ruins microorganisms and encourages faster curing. You can use the cream of aloe vera to the gums, after which you have to rinse your mouth with drinking water. Perform this therapy until the problem goes away. Pull out the liquid from a fresh-leafed aloe vera and use on the contaminated region without consuming it. Aloe vera cream may also be placed in a cup of hot water and gargled in the oral cavity by the affected person after each meal. It includes antiseptic substances without the sanding characteristics of chemical remedies. Put a bit of cayenne powder to the toothpaste and brush your teeth every day. There could be a minimal hot feeling in the oral cavity after you initially begin using it. However, over time, the pain will diminish. Cayenne powder is home remedies for gingivitis and will assist you to deal with microorganisms and stop periodontal disease. Using these treatments, you could deal with gingivitis and have absolutely nothing in the oral cavity except strong teeth and gums. Make sure you get a sufficient availability of dietary fiber via the eating habits. Incorporate whole grains, vegetables and fruit in everyday food intakes. It could possibly assist to improve immunity and shield the human body from bacterial infections. Combine drinking water with 3% hydrogen peroxide in identical quantities. Swish it around in the oral cavity, however you should not digest it. Do that 4 times per week to stop harmful bacteria from generating. Consume far more crunchy organic foods because these assist to thoroughly clean the tooth enamel. Smooth, cooked food items are likely to stick on the tooth enamel and consequently lead to bacterial development. Whenever you eat soft meals, make certain you scrub brush your tooth enamel correctly. An excellent availability of minerals and vitamins allows you to deal with bacterial infections like gingivitis. Your daily diet needs to be rich in the B and vitamin C. Stay away from consuming food items that are full of sugars since harmful bacteria flourish on sweets. The sweets that gets placed between the teeth offers the best reproduction terrain for the harmful microorganisms. For that reason, decrease white flour, candy and juices. In case neglected, bacterial infection will ultimately get to the root of the tooth. The tooth plaque along the periodontal and also on the root of the tooth becomes contaminated. Additionally, there is a form of gingivitis known as trench mouth. With this particular contamination, heavy blood loss of the gums happens. This really is a bacterial contamination, however is not contagious. Cure for trench mouth consists of antibiotic mouthwashes along with the elimination of tartar from the tooth enamel. In extremely uncommon situations, periodontal surgical treatment might be required. Gingivitis could be eliminated usually by brushing tooth enamel and flossing after each meal. An expert teeth cleaning every half a year can be an excellent treatment approach. In case the reason for gingivitis is disease, after that just your dental surgeon can deal with it. I hope you've enjoyed this video edition. We'll see you again on another video edition of Remedyland. Take care.